$200, $600, and even $1,000 paid out in one day by just clicking. You can make up to $30 per click, and you can make money online watching ads 2022 just like this again and again by simply clicking on ads. This is new ads watching job, so pay close attention now. Step number 1, all you have to do is click on the ads. For example, this is actually one banner ad and I can just click on that, and then step number 2, I will have to wait for 10 seconds right here on this page and I don't have to do anything. Step number 3, boom, you make money. That's exactly how people from different countries in the world are able to get paid, by simply clicking on ads. This is legit and absolutely free site, and you don't have to invest any money, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer with internet connection to make this work. And first step, I will show you how you can make money online watching ads. In second step, I will show you how you can earn $30 per click using my secret method, and in third step, I will show you how you can make up to $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot, just like all of these guys who are able to earn more money than others. And this is something I have never seen other people talking about, so make sure you stay tuned and don't miss out on that. So like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can be one of the first to use it and of course make the most money online 2022. So let's start the video. First step is to come over to this website, which will help us to make money online watching ads 2022. I will reveal the name of this site in a minute, but before that you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide some details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. If you don't have already, now the website where you can get paid by simply clicking on ads is atclicks.net. Now you can go on to atclicks.net, but very important, if you don't watch this video till the end you will not make any money, or even if you make money your earnings will be stuck inside your account. So it's very important for you to watch all the way until the end to avoid all the mistakes and successfully cash out your earnings. So you can see here you can earn extra cash for all your online activities. You can do different high-paying surveys, you can participate in different contests, you can complete different offers or refer other people or do task bonus. But more importantly, what I want to show you right now on this video is to focus on viewing ads, which means you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads and you can get paid real money. As you can see here, I will show you this in a minute. They are super transparent about all their earnings on their website. You can see the total payout today is this amount of $3,000. There are over 300,000 users registered right now on this website, and they also show you all the previous withdrawals from all the people who are cashing out money from the site, and they show their username, their country, and their payment method. And the best part is you can cash out all your earnings in many different payment options. Say for example, if you want to pay out on PayPal, Perfect Money Payer, RTM, Bitcoin, Skrill, and Faucet Pay, etc. But real quick, for our future videos, comment down below the name of your country and let me know your preferred payment method in your country, and in just a second I will show you exactly how to make money online watching ads on the site. So make sure you keep watching and don't miss out on this. But before that, let me show you something. As you can see here, they show you all the dates. For example, today and yesterday there are a lot of people already cashing out their money now. You can see here with the username, they are basically from different countries and they're able to earn real money on this website easily by just clicking on ads. And you can see here the total amount paid: $28 up to $200, $600, and even more than $1,000 by simply clicking on websites. And everyone and anyone can do this without any experience. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this register button, and from there you will be taken to this page. Now you have to just type your full name, your email address, and right here you can choose and create whatever username that you want and create a password. Submit your birth year and your birthplace and then fill in this captcha in this box, and finally agree to the terms of service and click on this register button. Once you log into your account, your dashboard will look like this. Now I want you to hover your mouse on earn money and click on view advertisement. That's going to take you over to this page, and if you scroll down a little bit, You will be able to see the daily ads, promotion ads, standard ads and micro ads. Now as you can see, these ads are paying very less amount per click. This is because it will show ads according to your location, and right now I am not at a very ad friendly place while making this video, but don't worry, in a minute I will show you how you earn $30 per click even if you are not at an ad friendly location and make money online watching ads 2022. But for now I want to show you the process of how this works, so let's click on this one ad here. That's going to take you over to another website, and all you have to do is to wait here for 10 to 15 seconds as mentioned on this offer. And while you are on the site, you have to scroll up and down on the site so that the website don't assume you as a bot. You can see on the top of this website as a time bar. Just wait for this bar to complete loading, and after that you can close the site and the money will be credited to your account. Now you can click on all other ads showing here and make money online watching ads. Also, if you want to, you can complete these daily surveys on the top of this page and can earn more than 100 cents per survey you complete, where 100 cents is equal to $1, and most of these surveys are paying more than $1. Next I want to show you something special, and for this I want you to click on the contest option on the top, and here on this site you can see that in this contest you can earn up to $64 in just price for earning just 10 and 50 in prize for just earning 9. You can see that you are getting paid 4 to 5 times more than what you earn, but to earn these prizes you have to follow my $30 per click secret method. Now for the second step of earning $30 per click, I want you to click on my account on the top right corner and come to your dashboard. Now I want you to click on daily offers right here, and that's going to take you over to this page, and if you scroll down on this page you can see that you can earn 3,563 cents for clicking on this ads offer, which is $35.63. There are many offers like this. For example, if you click on this ads offer right here you can earn up to 3,370 cents, which is equal to $33.70. And this is my secret method to earn over $30 per click. This is as simple as that. You can find different ads offers right here which you can complete and earn $30 per click. But real quick, if you are enjoying this video, then smash that like button. The likes target for this video is 500 likes, so help me to achieve that. Now for the third step, to earn $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot, you have to come over to my account again and click on that, and on this page I want you to click on affiliate banners from the left hand side. That's going to show you this page. Now this will be a referral link which you can use to refer others and make money on autopilot. Alternatively, you can also use the banners if you want to promote it through banner ads. You can choose the banner from 9 different banners available here, and after selecting the banner you can copy its link from this box right under the banners. So on one side you can simply click on ads to make money, and on the other side you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website, and you can make money on autopilot 2022. And this is a win-win situation. They get to know how to make money online watching ads, and you are able to earn referral commissions on complete autopilot, and this is one of the best ways to make money on ATI clicks other than simply clicking on ads. Now just copy your link from here and start sharing this link to Facebook. Make money online groups. Also you can use other social media platforms like Reddit, Quora, on which I am making a detailed video. So like this video and subscribe to the channel with notification on so that you don't miss those video. And if you want to make even more money online, then click on the video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.